my Chevy Silverado needed to go in for an inspection, and I knew there was a gas leak. When I took it in, I told them there was a gas leak, and they fixed a bunch of sensors and evap solenoid vent valve, I do believe. I was a little suspicious about that because it's a gas leak. You smell gas, it's a gas leak. Anyway, didn't take long. Went to the store yesterday, and came back out of the store, and there was gas dripping out of the bottom of my truck. So I got her home as quick as I could and shut her off, jacked her up, looked underneath, and I found what the problem was. And apparently it's a pretty common problem with these trucks. So I want to jump under there and have a look and show you. Alright, so I'm under here. There's what they replaced. Nice and brand new, shiny part. They didn't have to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go up over here. And where are you? I'm going to look at the top of this critter. Alright. You see that? That's what the problem is, right there. Okay, let me get out of here now. That is your fuel tank. And what I just showed you was the top of the fuel tank underneath the truck. And that was your fuel pump, or your fuel sending unit. Now, I'm not sure which way I'm going to do this, but I checked out a bunch of the YouTube channels, and there's 3 ways, but a couple of those ways I don't really want to attempt. I'll let you know on that one. But just remember, if you smell fuel, you probably got a fuel leak, so don't let them guys fool you at the garages. That's crazy.